Behind this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create torus in FreeCAD. So there is one really useful method that I recommend you to know. First we need to create an empty file, and after that we need to click on part design mode and we need to change it to part. Now we will see more really useful tools. Of course we are interested in to move our cursor to the left upper corner, and then we need to click on this one option. This option is Torus, create a torus solid. We need to click on it, and now we will be able to modify structure of this torus. We need to go to model and we need to click on torus. We will be able to modify torus properties. We can change placement, radius or angle. So for example, I click on this one arrow and I'm going to change position of this torus. So I click on position and I will increase maybe X, Y and Z values. So I will do it now. So I increase it, and how you see position of the torus is being changed. The similar effect we can see if we will modify Y value, and of course we can change Z value too. For example, I will increase it to 3, and how you see position has been successfully changed. If you will scroll down, you can find here that we can easily modify radius. So let's decrease radius 1 and let's check how it works. So for example, I will type here maybe 8, and after that we need to click refresh button to check how it works. How you see it is smaller now, and of course we can modify radius too. So for example, I decrease this value to 1 and I click refresh button. How you see this torus is so thin now, and if you will change for example angle 3 to 180, you will get the effect with half of torus. So I refresh this project and we have half of torus here. So it is how it works. If I helped you to modify your torus, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.